Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ I did it right, EPHQ, and welcome to another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at times a bit out of your freaking mind weird. Today's topic is all about finding inspiration in mundane, generic, boring, and otherwise overlooked locations. Like, let's talk about portraits that I did for a musician in the garbage dumpster area at the Beverly Center on Los Angeles, or in Los Angeles on La Cienega. Yeah. Or let's talk about a fully nasty, grody, grungy, graffitied, funky bathroom at a recording studio. Let's talk about the corner of a room or under a tree next to a garbage can at a venue. Think about that. Me personally, well, all those locations that I just shared with you are real world examples that I've shot in. And I'll just be really flat out and tell you that I will sacrifice location all day. Or excuse me, I'll sacrifice location for light all day long. If I see beautiful light in a corner that would otherwise be just kind of sucky, yeah, I'm shooting there. Yeah, 100%. Because I know that the photos or the film that I'm going to create is just going to be smashing in that particular environment. What about you? What about you? What do you do? Do. Obey your thirst. More good marketing. Ho, ho, ho. Or is it subliminal seduction? What do you guys do? I'd love to learn. Share downstairs in the kilt zone. And you know what we're going to do. Wrap it up. And that's it. And this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ. EPHQ with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at times a bit weird. If you are following and or are a subscriber or D, all the above, yeah! Thank you very much. I appreciate that. And if you're following, sharing, and caring, and liking, and commenting, and sharing, and reposting, even better. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. If you're not, bro, get on the program. Like, dive into the agile mind of David Esquire. And, make sure you hit the bell for notifications on YouTube. Like, comment, share. I'll send a raven, a ding dong. And let's remember to do something properly for the next time, which is something I am seriously lacking right now. Oh my gosh. Stay caffeinated. Stay caffeinated. And I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.